Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel, G RAThbun. Hey, you're getting ready to start an adventure with me to Sturgis, South Dakota, 2023. Oh, what a time we had. I have many a video coming up your way, and I hope you enjoy them all. It's not all about just partying and girls. Sometimes there's other things to do too. But enjoy what you're about to see. Thanks for following. Grab that cup of coffee and give me 10 minutes of your time. Oh yeah, we're going. Flying. What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
What's the word for today? Let's go ride.
Yeah, there's the word for today. Let's get out of here and do some riding. Where are we? We're at the Veterans Club. That's where we are. We're having breakfast today here. And then we're going to head to Spearfish Canyon. And whoever runs this bike from South Dakota, maybe you ought to think about where you park, because I don't know how I'm going to lean that one up to get out of here without taking your fender off. I guess you'll have to get a new fender. What can I say? Think about it when you guys park.
What happened?
When I straighten my bike up, guess where I'm going to be? Right against this fender. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Anyway, we're about ready to go, so that's where we're going to go. Stay tuned for those. I'm going to have my gloves on because I got to work the cameras. Our camera woman there is cool. Here we are. We're waiting for Crazy Dave's trailer and Lone Star Rider. Don't know where they went.
You gonna meet us here?
Well, you would have thought they'd have known we were here, but anyway, well, this is who we got. We're going down Spearfish Canyon. I think I'm going to film that on the GoPro for you guys. I've done that many times before, but I'll do it again. You never know what's changed or what you're going to see. We're going to stop at some of the falls and check them out. Right now I'm checking out this camera because Vickie tried to get it to work going through town and she couldn't. So looks like it's working okay now. As soon as them guys gets here, we're going to turn on the GoPro and we're going to go through the canyon. If they ever do. Well, Rex and Dave never did show up, so we found out, I don't know, we lost them on the freeway and they thought we were starting at the other end of this canyon, so they went to the one end and we're at the other end. We didn't meet each other till we were all done at the end of the day. I'm going to throw some music on here right now because the motorcycle road noise and the air, you just don't get no good quality. So let's listen to some good tunes while we go down the canyon. It's beautiful there. Well, that was a beautiful little trip right there. We're gonna pull over. Everybody pulls over down here at Bridal Falls. I've pulled over there every time I go through the canyon, but I've never walked over to the falls. So, wait till you see what it looks like when you walk to it. Or I should say, wade to it. Here we go. Let's pull over and check out Bridal Falls. Ago, or it just gets so dark you can't see it.
Maybe that's what it was.
Yeah. But here we are. There's a few motorcycles on the road today because nobody's been able to ride all week. And what we're going to do, I don't think there's 3 mufflers on this whole road. Pretty loud bike. There you go.
There's the house right here.
Photo bomb. Now you're hearing the real sounds of Sturgis, South Dakota for sure. We're gonna walk over here. I've never been to the bottom here. I guess it's spectacular. We're gonna go check it out. I'll get a shot right here. Is that a shot or what? That's a shot. We got a photo bomber over there. Where's that falls at? I hear there's a little falls here, trickle here somewhere. Somewhere. We'll get a picture of that. Where's the girls? There they come. All right. Go check it out. Oh, there it is. Right up there, guys. If you're coming down Spearfish Canyon, you definitely want to come down through here and see that right there. I know it ain't less like we got in Idaho, but it's pretty good for South Dakota. Yeah, it is. Let's go check that out. Well, we made it here. Some other people made it too, quite a few. But I went heck with it and went through the creek. Everybody else tried to walk. Look at that. That boy knows how to do it. I'm wet. He just got the soles of his feet wet. Ain't that something, guys? Come and see that down here. Quite the rock. Quite the walk. Yeah, boy. We're going to get there and get a picture taken. But that's pretty awesome. Check it out when you're coming through the Spearfish Canyon. Well, as you noticed, and as I noticed once I started editing, a droplet of this fine, clear water ended up on my lens. So, you know, it is what it is. You can't see a lot of times what's on a speck on your lens. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. You gotta be part mountain goat to get in here to this thing. Gotta crawl up these rocks now. And you gotta be sure-footed. There's the rocks we gotta go up, so let's watch this guy here.
Do this.
Come on, do it. Do it, guys. Right in the water. Come on, butt first.
Do what?
Butt first. Right in your, put your ass right in that cool water. We're gonna call you Cool Whip. Yeah, he made it. I think. Last.
I did it yet.
Famous last words. Didn't even get wet. Oh, I'm ashamed.
So you almost jinxed me.
Yeah. Come on, you're almost there. You're almost. Almost. You can do it. Yeah, one more. One more. Oh my God. Where's the thrill in that? Where's the thrill in that? Well, we're going to call that an end to this video. Yes, there's a lot more coming up of Spearfish Canyon. We're going to go to the next falls, Rough Falls. It's beautiful, it's bigger, and it's off the road, about a mile on a gravel road. You would think you wouldn't want to do that on your bike, but trust me, you do. So stay tuned for that video right after You watch this one, in a couple days we'll put out another. I think you'll enjoy it. We always do. Hope you will too. Stay tuned for it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. We got a lot more to come. Hey, I want you to subscribe to all these guys listed above here. Each one of us, we're on the same trip, but we seen a lot of different things because we're all different people. Some went downtown, some went to races, some went out to Alzada, and you're only going to see those Alzada videos on Cool Whip's site. So check out all the sites on there and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.